Yo, I'm with my homeboy Grader, also known as the mother-loving steak eater. Yo, what's up? I'm with my homeboy. What's up?
Oh,
it's cold and I'm cranky.
Yeah, we so good. We're so good though. We're like besties. You know, we've been friends since like a year and a half ago. He's my greatest friend, and I appreciate everything. I love you, Grader. Honestly, you mean the world to me. I'm sorry, I'm such a bad friend.
No, you're not.
I'm such a bad friend, honestly. Like, I'm so happy I got to meet you in person. So like, well, I didn't even think you were gonna be here. So.
That's what's up.
You just recorded your eyeball.
Oh, I did.
I stayed up all night.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow. I
stayed
woke
all
up at
day.
like, I don't know, we're like 7. Like,
Oh.
I don't know. I used to
Oh, Chris. Say something ratchet.
I might be. I'm not sure.
You have to think about it. No, I didn't.
Oh, that's cool. We can do
Oh.
fun.
Girl, that's a booty hole.
Oh.
Man, boob, hour.
Yeah.
I don't know what's ratchet. What does ratchet mean?
Just ghetto.
You say Jermaine.
I'm not ghetto.
Say Jermaine. Say Jermaine. Jermaine.
Say Jermaine.
Yeah.
Jermaine.
Okay. Say something ratchet.
Twerk, bitch.
Say something ratchet.
Jermaine.
Say something ratchet.
Someone ratchet.
Hey man, have you seen my neck? Oh, I found it.
Oh. Yeah, say something ratchet. Okay.
That's
Okay.
racist.
Yes.
I'm not very spontaneous or ratchet. I don't know. Leave me alone. Ratchet loads.
Okay.
Oh hell no, ain't nobody got time for that.
Ratchet. Just say something ratchet.
Like water.
Aldo, say something ratchet.
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm drinking Pepsi because they don't have Dr. Pepper.
That's ratchet. Say something ratchet.
Ratchet.
What's up? It's your boy Roshan. Hit me on Instagram. Love.